bred don't know how to act. I wasn't even trying to raise these eyes. I didn't even know they were coming up. I didn't even bend. These by accident when you're not paying attention. So you're gonna be set. I might invest my boy with him. Who knows? Some more birds for sale right here at Tippers. Exotic. 2015, but I forgot the bandos and these and those. I didn't know they were coming. It's your boy Los.